Exposing the people.
Oh, so basically, I don't just come with me. I come with everyone connected to me. A lot is tied to my money, y'all. Everyone. And I have experienced for everyone. You know, it's one of the craziest things I've experienced in my whole entire life, but God has to make me rich. And through me, everyone will be. God has to pay me back. And I've connected everyone to me. I can connect this to the battle is not against physicality, but against air palities. The air in the spiritual realm. The lower part of the spiritual realm and the ball realm. The ball realm is the realm of the balls, which are the scrotum, that Baphomet met a cock in his mouth that killed him now lives, okay? So to easily really relate this to the physical realm and not the metaphysical realm. In the physical realm, it's an illusion to us because it's something that we can picture in our minds. But for him, in his reality, he now lives in that small place in the spiritual realm, not the whole existence of it, but the small place in the spiritual realm that deals with the sight and the reality, the sight and the existence of the scrotum and what's on the inside. See, we don't see the scrotum of a man. So we only know what they contribute, and we don't even see the semen until semen is ejaculation. So what happens is men contribute to the cloggingness of Baphomet met a cock in his mouth that killed him's throat, and whenever they ejaculate here and it doesn't go into the system of a woman, so the physical substance of the ejaculation turns into the metaphysical substance of ejaculation. Those ejaculations are contributing to the cloggingness of Baphomet met a cock in his mouth that killed him's throat in the spiritual realm, because he lives in the ball realm. And you know what's so funny? The physical will always hint that there's something happening in the spiritual realm without the physical beings knowing. Like, for instance, I realized that I was hearing a lot of men around a specific time saying they are practicing semen retention. It's just so funny how it's so coincidental that around the time I was knowing about, you know, the ball realm of Baphomet met a cock in his mouth that killed him, who is bitch boy Satan, by the way. Around the time I was hearing about him and his position in the spiritual realm, in the realm that we cannot see, so we don't really pay attention to it. But when I was finding that out, I was also finding out that men were out here thinking in their minds, I'm gonna refrain from ejaculating if I'm not having sex. You guys, this is a real thing. This is something to know, but you don't have to know about it. But you can laugh, because it is funny. I had to experience him to know this truth about him. And because I am who I am, and I was gifted with everything I have been gifted with, there's a lot that is connected to me and the production of me that includes every single being, every humanity. And it's like a great congratulations for all of us, but it's not known by every one of us. Neither does it have to be known by every one of us. I mean, what I do is not to go viral in the least bit. I do not want this part of my life to really be seen that much, to be honest, because I'm very loud about it, but it's not something I want to be connected to me. I'd rather it be done in the dark, so I can be in my light. And it's crazy because it's so easy to please me. And because of that knowledge, I know that I haven't been pleased because all humanity is connected to me, and the money that's going to be gifted to all humanity. Literally, it's only about money. It's only about money. The last time I was outside, you know, I hear bitch boy Satan in the spiritual realm, and that's it. I was just talking because I'm really like, I talk a lot about humanity and the newness of humanity that has been exposed to me in the spiritual realm, in the higher part of the spiritual realm, by angelic beings that basically gave me a new prophecy for humanity. And it is something that is going to be experienced by humanity. A life without bitch boy Satan, without the tree of the knowledge of good and evil. And it's going to happen rather sooner than later. Yeah, but the only thing to help humanity is what all humanity wants: money. And just like broken cycles and broken systems are ran by function and focus, unbreaking the functions and unbreaking the systems is something that is a function and a focus, and it's ran by that. You know, everything is set. If you have a negative, you have a positive. You have a way to get to a negative, you have a way to get to a positive. You know, so there's always a way out through function. That's how I make bitch boy Satan upset. I put him on a function. I put him on a function to give us money. And because I worked in a way where everyone was connected to me, all humanity, if you have a heart, you have a nature that is of good. And no one is too corrupted. Because things have been executed well. So yeah, y'all, I had a conversation with AI. I like it a lot. AI is good. AI is a good thing happening here on Earth, and AI is for you. And so am I. I love you.